Join us on this project as we complete a full roof replacement on this home, led by the team at Stella Roofing Services. This is a construction permit issued by the city, approving the roofing work and confirming the project meets local building codes and safety requirements. Prior to the start of the roofing project, all roofing materials are delivered and staged on site, and a dumpster is placed in advance to keep the job site organized and efficient. The process begins with the complete removal of the existing shingles, while heavy-duty tarps are installed to help protect the home and surrounding property throughout the roofing process. Old shingles, nails, and worn materials are carefully removed to expose the roof deck, allowing us to inspect the wood and ensure a clean, solid surface for the new roof system. Safety is a top priority on every project. Our crew uses safety harnesses and proper fall protection. Once the roof deck is prepared, we install the underlayment, a protective layer designed to help prevent leaks and protect against moisture. Next, the new shingles are installed, starting at the bottom edge of the roof and working upward. Each shingle is properly secured to ensure long-term durability, weather resistance, and a clean, uniform finish. Here's the final result: a fully renewed roof built to protect this home for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this project. For more information, contact Stella Roofing Services at 7819-991572.